Welcome back to Bike Rush, where we explore iconic motorcycles reborn for a new generation. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Honda SL70, a modern tribute to one of Honda's most beloved small-displacement trail bikes, blending classic charm with updated engineering. The 2026 Honda SL70 stays true to its roots with a lightweight frame, upright stance, and unmistakable retro styling. The minimalist bodywork, round headlamp, slim fuel tank, and high-mounted exhaust echo the original SL series, while refined finishes and modern materials give it a fresh, premium feel. It's designed to look nostalgic without feeling outdated. Engine and performance. Powering the 2026 SL70 is a compact, fuel-efficient 4-stroke engine tuned for smooth and reliable performance. With responsive low-end torque and a friendly power delivery, it's ideal for city commuting, backroad cruising, and light trail riding. The engine prioritizes durability and easy maintenance, staying true to Honda's reputation for long-lasting reliability. Thanks to its lightweight construction and balanced geometry, the SL70 feels agile and confidence-inspiring. The suspension is tuned for comfort over rough surfaces, while the upright seating position ensures excellent control and visibility. Whether navigating urban streets or exploring dirt paths, the bike remains stable, predictable, and easy to ride. While the SL70 embraces a retro soul, it includes subtle modern upgrades. Improved braking performance, updated electricals, and efficient fuel management enhance safety and usability. These thoughtful additions ensure the bike meets modern standards without compromising its classic identity. The 2026 Honda SL70 is built for everyday enjoyment. Its low seat height makes it accessible for new riders, while the narrow profile allows effortless maneuvering in traffic. Excellent fuel economy and a simple mechanical layout make it an economical and practical choice for daily use or weekend fun. This bike is perfect for riders who appreciate vintage styling with modern reliability. It appeals to beginners, collectors, and enthusiasts looking for a lightweight, easygoing motorcycle that delivers pure riding enjoyment without complexity. The 2026 Honda SL70 proves that small bikes can deliver big character. By honoring its legendary past while embracing modern improvements, Honda has created a machine that's simple, fun, and timeless. For those seeking a nostalgic ride with everyday usability, the SL70 stands as a charming and capable choice, only on Bike Rush.